Missouri lawmakers are back inside the Capitol for a special session on violent crime after taking a week off for the primary election.
The talk of today's session is a bill that has all 6 provisions Governor Parson asked for. Our Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley has the latest on the debate today in Jefferson City.
Yeah, Mandy and Mike, lawmakers, senators have been inside the chamber since 11 o'clock this morning debating, and they're still in there discussing that bill right now. It's a bill that addresses all 6 provisions that Governor Parson wants to address during this special session. Well, during the Senate chamber today, protesters entered to voice their opinion on police reform to lawmakers. Back to work on reducing violent crime in the state.
I think this definitely qualifies coming back to Jefferson City to get this done, because we don't have another day and another week and another month. We're behind now.
While some are in support of the governor's plan to address crime.
But I think once we see this operating, I think it's going to really help our communities get cleaned up, get our economic development back in there. It's going to help our education.
Others don't believe the package reduces crime.
At the end of the day, I don't think that this is going to solve the problem when it comes to crime. I think the police and community relationships needs to be built in a way that it has never been built before.
Protesters came into the Senate chambers to show their support of police reform, but left making sure their voices were heard.
Criminal justice reform, not rhetoric.
Most of the discussion is about a piece in the bill that would reduce residency requirements for the City of St. Louis Police Department.
Bill removes the 7 years as long as the officer or public safety employee lives within 1 hour of response time.
But senators from the St. Louis area want to leave it up to voters.
This is a local control issue, and this language is already on the ballot for November for the local people to vote on what they want in their area.
Now, back to COVID testing here in the state capitol. We reported earlier that those that work in the capitol could have a COVID test. Well, we have those results back from the Department of Health and Senior Services, and of the 228 that were tested, 4 of those came back positive. We don't know if it's staff members or lawmakers. They would not release that information to us. As for the debate, we'll continue to follow it here in Jefferson City and bring you any updates here on Fox 2 News. Reporting live tonight from Jefferson City, Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.